Yeah.
Don't lift it, don't lift it. Did you
No,
lift it?
I don't lift it.
Hang on.
I just push it.
Yeah. Okay, you can lift off now.
Lift now.
Yeah.
You want me to do again?
No, I'll do it on the other side.
On the left side you want me to do?
No, just that right side here.
Okay. You want me to do now? For the right side, for my right leg?
Yeah, you can pump it 3 times the same.
The same one?
Yeah. Okay, up.
Up.
Yeah, I'm going to get it right.
Where are you, babe? You still want me to do to pump them, or you still want me to sit in here?
Once I've done.
Do you still want me to sit in here?
Yep. Okay, so pump.
You want me to pump?
Yeah.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, and hold it
3.
tight.
Yep, I'm holding it. Goodness, I hope my leg's not cramping. They're getting weak. Okay, they're going down.
Okay.
Is that's supposed to be?
Yeah, hang on.
I don't do it. You want me to lift up now?
No.
Yeah, I keep it to push.
Okay.
You want me to lift
Alright.
up now?
You can now, yep. Now.
Is there anything else?
Let me just see for a second, Dale.
Okay.